Mr. Beast excited, "Today, I'm drinking the world's most expensive coffee. It cost me $5,000 for one cup."
Wow!
Mr. Beast sips slowly, then gagging dramatically, "Why does this taste like regret and raccoon feet?"
What?
Chandler smugly drinking $2 gas station coffee. Chandler, "Mine's better. Cost $2 and doesn't come from a butt."
Huh?
Mr. Beast, "Well, since I can't drink this," dog drinks it. Zoom in on dog's face with glowing eyes like anime dog. Voiceover, "I can see time." Mr. Beast throws $10,000 in the air. "Subscribe, or I'll make Carl bathe in this coffee."